Affiliate marketing internet industry.
Entrepreneurs and opportunists all over have been looking for new and original methods to get money away from the bigger industries and earn their share of the profits. With many industries shutting their doors, there is already one in existence that creates large volumes of money for people everywhere: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing programs work by rewarding website owners for hosting materials and products on their site. The affiliates are then paid on a commission basis, as neither party pays anything to one another during the initial transaction. Instead, the affiliates are paid as and when they manage to attract new customers to the primary site. Affiliate marketing is one of the best and most successful online advertising opportunities. It's a program that runs on simplicity and efficiency, although in a way that works extremely well for both parties involved. The industry of affiliate marketing is a cost-effective way for small and large companies to reach out and expand their influences. Instead of being restricted to one website, large companies can get noticed on hundreds of sites, and normally even thousands. On the other hand, the affiliate industry is also a thriving source for income for millions. Affiliates have been reaping the rewards of huge financial profits and the popularity that the industry provides. Single affiliates can earn anywhere from 35% and below of the money generated by each customer they produce. With this type of revenue lasting for the entire lifetime of the site, an affiliate has virtually unlimited earning potential. Unlike other online industries, there are no specific requirements to become an affiliate marketer. There are no strings attached or any tricks, which is why millions of people are turning to affiliate marketing to make their income on the internet. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.